Is digital blackout the new meta for PC builds? It might be. I've seen enough RGB in my time that I'm ready for a more chilled look, though some subtle RGB might be to your taste too. My design idea for this build was industrial steel, and what could be better than the Deepcool CH260 case for that theme? It's low priced, good quality, and gives enough room for everything comfortably. The cable management was surprisingly good, and it's set up with a classic front-to-back airflow style. The RTX 5070 Founders Edition card also fits our industrial blackout theme as well, but I think the Thermalright Digital Peerless Assassin steals the show with its glossy temperature readout. Overall, the look was surprisingly clean, and it came out really well. Could I stuff this hardware into a Deepcool CH160 Plus for a denser arrangement? Sure, but I simply didn't want to. Not everything has to be min-maxed, a little breathing room is okay. This medium form factor is the way forward, decently smaller than a mid-tower, but not too restrictive, and allows cheaper micro ATX boards to shine. But does it affect performance? Let's have a look. I think we can agree this came out really clean, with tasty 1440p performance numbers, but would you, the viewer, change anything? Let me know below. This week I'm doing 7 videos in 7 days, so subscribe and enable notifications to see all 7, as well as my semi-regular PC building live streams, which I'll aim to do most Saturdays. Peace.